The final nail in the coffin was the reshuffle that I just talked about, returning people that were under investigation by EACC back to their previous positions. And so when that happened, and I was not consulted, I decided to go to the electorate. And this is when I started talking about the theft and the misappropriation of finances in the executive. At that point in time, Chair, I was then invited, someone by the Assembly, to go and explain the utterance, the political statements that I had made in some funeral. So on the 12th of April, I went to the Assembly with the evidence, with the hope that I was going to give my oral submission as I presented my written evidence. But the Assembly refused and asked me to submit my written evidence, which written evidence I submitted 2 days later. In my submission, I had mentioned some officers adversely. I expected the General Oversight Committee to seek responses from those officers that I had mentioned adversely, which they did. And I had also hoped that subsequently, once the officers responded, they were going to invite me to go and make rebuttals. Unfortunately, Chair, and this is something I have not understood, the General Oversight Committee never afforded me the opportunity to go and make rebuttals based on the responses that the officers had given them. Remember, I was the whistleblower. I am the one that raised aspects of